Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial step in fish keeping, how to properly acclimate your fish to a new tank. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced aquarist, following the right acclimation process is essential to keeping your fish happy and healthy. Let's dive in. Step 1. Floating the bag. Once you bring your new fish home, don't rush to put them directly into the tank. The first step is to let the sealed bag float on the water surface of your aquarium for about 15 to 30 minutes. This allows the temperature inside the bag to slowly match the tank's water temperature, preventing temperature shock. Step 2. Gradual water mixing. After temperature acclimation, it's time to introduce small amounts of your tank water into the bag. Every 5 to 10 minutes, add about a quarter cup of tank water into the bag. Repeat this process for at least 30 to 45 minutes. This step helps your fish adjust to the tank's pH, salinity, and other water parameters gradually. Step 3. Transferring the fish. Once the fish has adjusted to the new water conditions, carefully remove the fish from the bag using a net. Never pour the bag's water into your tank. It may contain harmful bacteria or chemicals from the store's system. Gently release the fish into the tank and let them explore their new home. Step 4. Monitor and minimize stress. For the first few hours, keep the aquarium lights dim and avoid sudden movements around the tank. Your fish may feel a little stressed, which is completely normal. They might hide or refuse to eat initially, but after a few hours, they should start to settle in. Bonus tip: quarantine new fish. If possible, quarantine new fish in a separate tank for at least 2 weeks before adding them to your main aquarium. This helps prevent the spread of diseases and ensures that your new fish are completely healthy. Final thoughts. Acclimating your fish properly ensures a smooth transition into their new home, reducing stress and increasing their chances of a healthy, happy life. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fish keeping tips. Thank you for watching and happy